Welcome to Mashpee Public Schools. I am going to be walking you through the registration process. In order to register your child, you must be a Mashpee resident and show proof of that. It is easier to do the registration process on a laptop, and before starting the process, it's most helpful to gather the required documents ahead of time and save them to your laptop. This will be a most recent physical, along with immunizations within the past year for your child, along with a lead screening and a vision screening, your evidence of residency, your evidence of occupancy, and a valid photo ID of the parent or guardian that is registering the child. Again, you must be a parent or a guardian to the child in order to register them. You're going to go to the Mashpee Public Schools website at www.mpspk12.org. Once you are here, you're going to look in the top right-hand corner under Schools and click on Kenneth C. Coombs School. You are then going to click on Registration. And you're going to look for the pre-K and kindergarten 2024 new student registration. That will be for this September, and click there. If you do not have a child enrolled in Mashpee Public Schools, you're going to create a new account. If you already have a child in Mashpee Public Schools, you are going to sign in with the existing email address and password that you already used to register that child. Here you will see on the left-hand side all the tabs that you need to fill out in order to complete your child's registration. Student, contacts for the student, priority, siblings, the medical information, the agreements you need to sign off on. Here's when you can upload all your documents that you saved to your desktop, and the parent's electronic signature and date. Once you are here, it'll give you your status of all these tabs. And if there's anything in red, it means you need to go back and fix something. Once you do hit the submit button, you can no longer go back in and upload documents or edit anything. If you were unable to upload a certain document, you may reach out to the office staff at the Kenneth C. Coombs School or reach us by email at kccregistration@mpspk12.org, and we will be happy to help you.